Dude, what is that? You've been doing it all morning.
Sneezing, can't you tell?
Not really. You sound like the world's angriest baby. What's wrong with you?
My throat is itchy. Achoo. My breath is wheezy. Achoo. My eyes are watering. Achoo. So when?
Huh? When what?
Achoo!
Oh, bad.
Oh, okay.
You really consult a medical professional because your vertebrae may have slipped out of alignment, which could be a sign of something more serious.
How does that feel?
Good. I think achoo!
Frost?
Achoo! Achoo! Achoo!
Do you have any nines?
No. Achoo! Go fish. Achoo!
What do you mean?
7, 9, Achoo! Achoo!
I'm lactose intolerant. Probably.
Achoo!
That hurt.
Achoo!
Now we're sure.
Okay, we.
What if nothing would get damaged?
Achoo!
I guess we'll be walking. Achoo!
We're running.
Come on, man!
Achoo! Achoo! Achoo!
Let's try the other way around.
Achoo!
Should propel us straight out of town.
Can I admit that was a stupid idea?
Hello, you. I think it was more stupid that you pointed it out.
No, don't do it there!
We didn't choose!
Go for the panda! They've given up on life anyway! Hey, over here!
That was close.
Run!
We can take it! We're your family!
What are you doing?
Well, I'm avoiding the blast.